What's up, guys? It's the Berm Academy, aka the Turn Academy. Welcome to day 3.
Oh God, hello.
What you doing there, Jason?
Hey, listen, guys. We're on a cliff in the desert. It's probably dangerous. We're going to Hoover Dam, then on to Vegas. Poolside. If you want to see us in our bikinis, come to Circus Pool. It's the nicest pool on the strip. You're not going to find nicer. So, or hotter dudes. So come on out. It's hot out here and beautiful.
We got views.
Just around the bend from Hoover Dam.
This is crazy.
It's impressive.
It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy.
Are you ready for the Hoover Dam? Oh man, damn it. The Hoover Dam. I'm ready. Are you ready? I'm ready. So we're at security right now.
Please let me in. Please let me in.
We're at security right now, and I'm hiding in the boat.
Unless you're brown, you should be useless.
Racist.
How is brown racist?
That's racist.
No, it's not.
Just because I'm brown doesn't mean I'm good with eating. So that's
You
racist.
should be. That's like your skin tone is better with the sun. If you're Italian, if you're Mexican. That's not racist. That's a fact.
Is that not racist, Jason?
Brown people are better in the sun. That's it. I'm the one getting melanoma cut out of my face. Lighter shade on the spectrum. Be careful with the sun. The guys who are darker on the spectrum, you know, they're better off.
Other stairs. Yeah, here, Hoover Dam. Pretty sure, like in all my vlogs where I'm wearing sunglasses, you can just see the reflection of everything, like just my camera. Here's the view of the Grand Canyon. It's pretty dope. Not really. I mean,
My
I've
ass
seen it several
burns.
times. Are we getting a history lesson?
Dum-dum.
Yeah. The white
That
rock.
doesn't make the rock any older.
Yes, it does.
That's the water line.
I think you're borderline autistic. Where's your fidget spinner?
Mine?
And the garbage?
Where the white line is where the water used to be. Now it's all the way down there. Get it?
I
Got
guess you
it.
could say, I think the lower, I think that is older. I mean, I don't think you meant it that way, but I think it is. And then they built the dam.
There's Joey.
And then they...
This is our gym workout. Because, you know, we're sitting in a damn tour bus all day. Guess we're going all the way down, huh? Look. It's already hot as hell,
Alright, so
and I
listen,
want to go
fellas.
back to the van.
What you gotta remember is that, turn that stupid thing off.
Jason's ready to take pictures. I don't know if we're like super racist on this trip, but every time we see Indian people, we do an accent. And I walked in front of this couple, and I swear to God, she was like, this American in my way? Like, no joke. She was just like, there's American boys in my way. And I just felt so bad, but this is what the Berm pictures look like if y'all ever seen it. We used to act just like the Grand Canyon in yesterday's vlog. It's pretty much, hey, it's right here. All right, now let's go back in the bus. This is what we're crawling to get up. So, dumb me lost all the footage of day 3 because I was in a hurry to export it, and I think I left some of it on Luke's phone. But I guess that's a short vlog for today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow, right? No, you're not gonna talk? Alright.
It means no worries for the rest of your days.